Hi, I've gotten a couple of questions on what we're supposed to be working on every week and figuring out what assignments are due, and I think that I've figured out where the issue is stemming from. So this video is just to clear up how the class flow works. So this is our class homepage. I'm in Canvas, and I have a Start Here button that will take me to the course home page for like the basics about the course and the syllabus. You've already done that. That's the week 0 module. If I scroll down a little bit, I get to the course units, and the units are broken up by exam. So unit 1 is week 0 through 4, and week 4 is our exam 1. Unit 2, weeks 5 through 8, and week 8 would be exam 2. And then week 12 would be exam 3, and week 15 would be exam 4, and then in week 18 we'll have our final. So it's broken up so that you can see everything that's covered in every exam, all grouped together, except of course the final because it's cumulative. So I'm going to click on Unit 1, and I'll get to this Unit 1 module, and here the welcome module is included because technically it's week 0, so I put it in here. Week 1 starts the week 1 material, week 2 the week 2 material, and week 3 the week 3 material. It's up to you to keep track of what week you're in based on the weeks that are actually happening in the class. But if you lose track, you can go to the syllabus, and the syllabus has dates for every single week. Otherwise, you can just keep track of if the first week already happened, then we're on week 2, and once I'm done with week 2, we must be in week 3. Okay, so if I click on week 2, it brings me right to the first page of week 2, and I can go next all the way through all of the assignments for week 2. I won't miss anything. Every single assignment that's due or should be done by the end of week 2 is inside this module. And you'll see if I click all the way through it, I'll be able to see where I hit week 3 because almost there. A couple more clicks. Even more clicks. Still almost there. Very nearly there. Nope. Go all the way down. Next. Study room, still almost there. There we go, week 3. So I've hit week 3 objectives. So I clicked all the way through, and now I know I'm done with week 2 because I hit the beginning of week 3. There's another option. I'm going to go back to the home page, and I can see there's a button here called Assignments and Modules. I'm going to click that, and it takes me to the overview of all the weeks. So week 0 already happened. I'm going to collapse it. Week 1 already happened. I'm going to collapse it, and now I can view everything in week 2. I don't usually give you this view immediately because it can be overwhelming to see all these pages stacked up. So that's why I usually take you just into the week 2 objectives and let you click through. I just feel like it's probably less overwhelming if I'm just clicking buttons instead of seeing a bunch of stuff stacked up at once. But you can still go this way, and you can click on every single assignment. So if you accidentally missed one, then you can go back and click on it. The little green check marks only mean that you have viewed the page. They do not mean that you have completed the page. So to see if you've completed a MyMathLab assignment, you want to look for these little pages with a tiny little pencil there, and click on that. The MyMathLab assignments will have little green check marks next to each question you've completed, and you also get a little green check mark for watching the video. So I think the confusion is mostly stemmed from going to MyMathLab and viewing all of the assignments. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do Course Home. If you've taken a math class at Crafton before, then you've probably used MyMathLab. We utilize the homework in our class, but we don't use MyMathLab as the base for the class. Canvas is our class base, and we're just bringing in the homework from MyMathLab. Because if I go to MyMathLab and look at assignments, I just get this crazy big list of assignments, and I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be working on because there's just so many, and they're all doing big clumps. And not every section that we cover in the book gets its own unique homework assignment. Some of them are smushed together, so you won't actually see a homework assignment for every single section we cover, but the sections will be where you go to view examples and to be able to read up on the things we're covering in that homework. All right, so what we're going to do is avoid going directly to MyMathLab, and we're going to go only into Canvas. All of the things that I need for the class are in Canvas, and I can get to them through the unit.